How to add audio in Canva. Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to add audio to your Canva videos. Okay, it's super easy, so let's get right into it. First, you're going to go to the video option and you're going to scroll down to apps. I already have the video here that we're going to use that I want to add audio. So within the apps, you're going to type audio and you will see it pop up right here. Please note that the Pro version has all of these amazing features. The free version might not have, but we will have a link down below so that you can go check it out. Okay, so right here, you can see all of the different music. You can also pre-listen to the music if you want to choose it, so that's great. And yeah, you're just going to add whatever you want. So let's just pick this. Okay, so we are going to add this audio. And we are going to just pause it for a while. Okay, now as you can see here, you can also work with the sound itself. You can adjust it. You can have audio effects. You can adjust the volume and split the audio. So just to note, drag it to where you want it and then click play. And there you have it. Yeah, guys, so that's it from me. I hope this could have been a big help to you guys. And please don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment. And don't miss out on more tips.